Welcome to Byw'n Iach Dwyfor. I'm going to be showing you around to see what's changed. Remember to wear your mask and come on in. When you come in, be sure to sanitise your hands and pay attention to all the signs. When you come into the reception, just scan your card and go on to your session. Remember to follow the one-way system around the leisure centre. Be sure to follow the signs in the gym and clean the equipment after each use. After your session in the gym, leave through the main entrance. All the fitness classes are taking place here in the sports hall. After they've finished, leave this way. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in Byw'n Iach Dwyfor.